Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Starts to look interesting. It's currently just following the wave count, not doing much more. It's just adhering to it for now, at least. Things can change quickly in crypto. But for me, the view is still here that we should be heading higher. To at least, if we talk about targets here, let me just shift the fibs around a little bit. Obviously, we did hold, for anybody who's not aware, we did hold here these 1-2 setups here, so it's possibly moving higher here in this series of 1-2 setups, where we have a wave 1, wave 2, a 1-2, another 1-2, and another 1-2. Very bullish setup, but too many 1-2 setups. So there is another possibility I'm observing here, where we say, okay, we had a wave 1, 2, and another 1-2. And then here, this is going to be some kind of a leading diagonal. But it doesn't really make a great difference. It's just that if now we start to see a deeper setback instead of a direct breakthrough, then this is probably a leading diagonal where we have this 1-2, 1-2 finished. Tick in the box. But then here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this should turn around now, basically now. It shouldn't go higher. I start to see the structure on some charts, so I just want to mention it. It's a bit of a channel pattern, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here the alternate wave 1 onto the chart, because this is certainly not an unrealistic pattern in the current structure here, even though this last leg up here looks for me a little bit too impulsive, but it's still possible to have this as a leading diagonal, which is not a bearish pattern really, but it means that we could get a deeper setback in a wave 2 first before we actually push higher here in that yellow third wave. So basically the yellow third wave would be the direct breakout count thesis and is valid as long as we're holding 1726. Below that level, I think we're looking at this orange wave 2. It's just due to all these overlaps, and if you have too many of these 1-2 setups, it's just getting unlikely that it's still going to work out directly. So we might see that deeper pullback first. But again, it's only the alternate for now, because at the moment we are following the other count. So I'm primarily looking at direct breakout here as long as we're holding this swing low here, which was at 1726, because what I can do, I can add here the subwave count as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within the third wave, and it would then cascade higher. So for now, all we're doing here is following the bullish count. There is not much more to add here, and if anything changes, I will let you know anyway. The good news is that AVAX has already broken above the previous wave 1 highs. That is quite bullish, has bullish implications. But now I would want it to break above this trend line here. Now again, there's a question, how do you draw it perfectly? It's probably never perfect, but this is it's reasonable, and let's see where we're heading. I'm not very happy with all these overlaps, but it could be a very, very bullish setup. But then it really needs to move now. At the moment, I see Bitcoin rally higher straight away. So for many of these altcoins, I would also only see this diagonal pattern as an alternative. So the diagonal means just that we see a bit of a deeper pullback before we rally, but not bearish. Short-term bearish, yes, but very short-term bearish only. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.